Two.
Oh, you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you set me on a
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Two. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to your channel, welcome to our channel. My name is Credo Gray and welcome to the people's channel. To those that are new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share these videos. Just go through my channel. I'm sure you'll find something interesting and become a part of the family. And to my returning soldiers, my VIP, my number ones, thank you guys for always being here. Thank you for the support from day one. I really appreciate it. Without wasting any more of your time, I'm just gonna go straight to the unboxing because this is an unboxing video, right? This is an unboxing video. We're unboxing one of my favorite things that I've always wanted. This is basically a present, a birthday present for myself. I had to go and grab this one for myself because, girl, hey, I don't want to be saying so much. So yeah, you know me with brand Defy. You know me with brand Defy. Me and Defy are like this. Every appliance in this house is a brand Defy. So now let's do the unboxing.
choose Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party alone. Just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's what he's someone do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Oh, feel me, baby. Can you feel me, baby?
Yo, guys, I am super. So this is what I got from the washing machine. I'm so tired. I'm gonna call the caretaker to come and install the washing machine so I can start using it, and I'll give you the best reviews, and you know it. So y'all know me with Defy, we are like best bombers. I'm so glad this is my birthday present. Whew. This is my birthday present, and I really love it. I really hope Defy recognizes me, because I'm the girl. I'm their girl actually. Everything Defy. Like, what more do they want? Like, I might as well change my name to Defy. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate this. I appreciate this a lot. I'll definitely see you on the next vlog. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye.